Workshop projects often call for clean, accurate holes that handheld tools struggle to deliver consistently. Best benchtop drill press choices bring reliable power and precision right to a small bench, helping both hobbyists and pros complete wood and light metal work with greater control and less frustration. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. WEN 12-inch Benchtop Drill Press. This compact yet capable machine relies on a solid 6.2 amp induction motor that drives a 12-inch swing and delivers 3 1/8 inches of spindle travel, giving users enough reach and depth for most common benchtop jobs. Speed adjustment happens mechanically across a useful range from 580 to 3100 RPM, so switching between softwoods, hardwoods, or thin metals feels straightforward once you settle on the right setting. A clear digital readout keeps the current RPM visible at a glance, which helps maintain consistency when repeating the same hole size across multiple pieces, though its weight means you'll probably leave it in place rather than move it often. Build quality feels honest for the price point, with enough rigidity to keep vibration low during normal use. Everyday tasks such as drilling shelf pin holes, preparing furniture joints, or boring pilot holes in metal brackets become quicker and more accurate than with a handheld drill. The mechanical speed system is reliable, but requires a brief pause to change belts or settings, a minor trade-off compared with fully electronic models.
Number 2. JET 12-inch Benchtop Drill Press. Engineered for users who want refined control in limited space, this model uses a variable speed drive that runs smoothly from 530 to 3100 RPM, letting you match rotational speed to the material at hand without complicated belt changes. Its 10-inch by 16 1/8 inch cast iron base stays planted on smaller benches, while still providing a stable platform. Scale paired with a positive depth stop helps repeat identical hole depths. The distinctive X-shaped Exacta laser projects a crosshair that simplifies alignment and reduces the chance of wandering starts. These thoughtful details combine into a machine that feels more polished than many similarly sized presses. Hobbyists building cabinets or furniture and small shop metalworkers who occasionally need precise holes will appreciate the combination of visibility, support, and accuracy.
Number 3. VEVOR 12-inch Benchtop Drill Press. Powered by a full 1.0 horsepower motor and offering a 12-inch swing, this press handles woodworking, light metalwork, and typical home projects with noticeable confidence. Variable speed runs from 530 to 3140 RPM and includes a digital readout so you can dial in the exact rate required for different materials without guesswork. An X-laser guide projects clear reference lines that help place holes exactly where intended, making angled holes in compound setups far easier than on fixed tables. These features together create a versatile tool that suits both garage workshops and more serious hobby spaces. Users who frequently switch between flat and angled work will notice the practical advantage of the tilting surface. One minor point is that the higher power and adjustable table add a little bulk compared with the simplest models, yet the extra capability justifies the presence for most people. In everyday use, the press delivers reliable performance and clear value for anyone seeking accurate, adaptable drilling without stepping up to a full floor-standing machine.
Number 4. SKIL 6.2 amp Benchtop Drill Press. A straightforward 6.2 amp induction motor supplies enough torque to push cleanly through wood, metal, and similar materials, while 5 discrete speeds ranging from 610 to 2800 RPM let you match the cut to the workpiece. Laser alignment projects a simple guideline that helps start holes on mark, and an adjustable depth stop locks in consistent depths so repeated operations stay power of 0.83 milliwatts. The alignment system stays within safe limits for normal shop use. The overall design favors users who want dependable results without a long learning curve. Weekend builders assembling shelves, frames, or simple metal brackets will find the combination of power, speed choices, and alignment aids more than adequate. The fixed 5-speed arrangement is less flexible than continuously variable systems, yet it covers the speeds most home projects actually require.
Number 5. WOODSKIL 8-inch Benchtop Drill Press. Sized for tighter benches, this 8-inch model pairs a 1/3 horsepower 2.3 amp induction motor with a 1/2-inch keyed chuck, an 8-inch swing, and a 2-inch spindle stroke, making it suitable for smaller holes and lighter stock. A Class 3A 2.5 milliwatt laser assists with alignment, while the heavy-duty cast iron work table and base keep vibration low and accuracy high. 5 mechanical speeds, 750, 1100, 1500, 2100, and 3200 RPM, cover the common range needed for softwoods, hardwoods, and thin metals. Because both the table and base use substantial material, the machine remains stable even when working near the edge of its capacity. Hobbyists with limited bench space or those focusing on smaller projects such as craft pieces, instrument parts, or light furniture details will find the compact footprint and solid construction especially useful. The shorter swing and stroke are the natural trade-offs for the reduced size, so larger workpieces may need alternative methods. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.